Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you people are well. Today I'm going to discuss with you another important and interesting topic in the product chapter, and that is called new product definition. So I'm going to tell you the definition of new product from two different books. At the same time, I'm going to show you some amazing architecture. It's Hamad Bin Khalifa University. So I'm going to show you another angle or side of Hamad Bin Khalifa University, but along with that I'm going to discuss with you a topic, and the topic is the definition of new product. So let's discuss the topic. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss with you the definition of new product from two different sources. The first one is rather very easy definition. What is new product? New product is a product that falls in any of the following three categories that I'm going to tell you. The first one is called innovation, the second one is called replacement, and the third one is called imitation. So any product that falls in the category of innovation, replacement, and imitation is considered a new product. Let's quickly see what do you mean by innovation, replacement, and innovation. By innovation, we mean that a product that is unique in nature, a product that makes you say, wow, a product that you have never seen before, the product that the world has never seen before is considered an innovation or an innovative product and is in the category of new products. The next one is called replacement. What is replacement? Replacement means that a product that comes to take out the older version of the product. So a new version of the old product is called a new product as well, and technically we call that replacement. A good example of that would be when a new technology comes and it replaces the old technology. That new technology, even the world has seen it before, is considered new product. Take an example of phone, landline phone. So when the wireless phone came, the landline phone was replaced by the wireless phone. So the landline phone was also seen by the world, and the wireless phone was something that replaced the older version, and it is considered new product. The next category in the definition of the new product is called imitation. Now, what is imitation? Imitation means copying an existing innovative product. A lot of companies, a lot of countries are doing it, and the scholar says that it is also in the category of new product. So what is an imitation? Some books also call it a me too product or a copy product. So once you see an innovative product and you copy that innovative product and you introduce your new product to the that product, maybe in some books, which I'm going to tell you in a while, in some books it is also called new to the company product. So the product is not new to the world, the product is new to the company. We call it imitation. So I wanted to discuss with you a definition of new product from two books. The first one, new product is a product that falls in any of the following three categories. The first one is called innovation, the second one is called replacement, and the third one is called imitation. Another book says that it has divided into the definition of new product or in the categories, which are around 6 different categories. Let me take you down there. It's all more sunny here, and then I'll tell you the definition. Okay, the next one from another book, the definition of new product is a product which falls in the following 6 categories. The first one is new to the world product. If I relate it with the last definition that I gave you, new to the world product are those products which are innovative products that the world has not seen before. So the world has not seen these products before, you launch them, and those products are called new products. The next one is called new to the company product. So the products are those products which may not be new for the world. The world has seen these products before, but it is new to your company. In many of the books you will see that imitation is consider a product which is a copy product of an innovative idea, but your company have not done that before. The world already know about these products. The next one is called addition to an existing product line. So if you add something new to an existing product line, you are introducing a new product. After that, the fourth one is called improvement and revisions. So improvement and revisions of your existing products, or updating your existing product. If I relate it with the last definition, I would say that it is called replacement. So if you update an existing product which replaces the old one, it becomes a category, and that is considered a new product category. The fifth one is called repositioning. That's very interesting, that you relaunch a product with a totally new concept. You tell the customers, you tell the consumers that the product is the same, but it can be used for other purposes as well. The next one is called cost reduction, the last one. What is cost reduction? Cost reduction means that you launch or introduced a cheaper version of the existing product. So the functions of the products are the same, but you introduce a product with a lower cost, with a lower price, so that a majority of the consumers who cannot buy the expensive version, they buy the cheaper version. So today I want to discuss with you the definition of new product from two different books. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't go anywhere. Let me show you this beautiful architecture. We'll see you with another video another time. With that, thank you so much. Bye.